There are so many things that you are being assessed whenever you go for your interview. There are so many things that people look for whenever you are performing, whether you are on the stage or you are in a boardroom or in a classroom, in an auditorium, wheresoever you are. So make sure that you should have impeccable communication skills, because you are in front of so many people. You not only have to communicate, you need to express yourself, but you must make sure that whatever you are speaking, people should understand in the same way that you want them to. And people should always get that kind of influence that you want from them. Don't you want to have that impression? I'm sure you want to create that wow. And to create that wow, believe me, communication skills is the key. So work on your communication skills. All the best.